Me a business credit score in less than 4 months. Check out how I did it. First thing I did was I went to Uline because I was like, I need some toilet paper and tissue for my house anyway, so why not get it through Uline so I could build my business credit. Then go to NAV because NAV is a great way to check your business credit score and build your business credit. Also, Shirtsy, a great vendor. I purchased some clothing for my product to advertise my business. I got a net 30 account, paid it back in 15 days. Boom. Creative Analytics is amazing. I did a membership fee for $99. This is how I'm building my business credit. You add these vendors, you guys. It's amazing. Granger is another vendor you can use. No PG, build business credit. Buy a product, buy soap, buy something you need so it's worth the while. And then lastly, Opus Virtual Office. This is one of the first things I did. I just typed in like my city, Orlando, Florida. I got a virtual office because I don't have a brick and mortar and you need a real brick and mortar attached to your business. So I signed up, entered my business information, and sorry, computer's a little dirty. And this is how you do it.
Nice. That seemed pretty legit. What do you think?
That's legit. I mean, I think, people have to make sure that they differentiate. Business credit does not mean business funding.
Yeah.